Hello, this is Daniel. Welcome back to my channel, Daniel Huang Trades. Okay, so today we are going to go back to see what's the progress of the oil, crude oil. Seems like there has been a change in crude oil prices. So we are going to go back to have a look and see what's the updates for crude oil. So today we are looking at the UK crude oil, Brent crude oil. There are two types of crude oil you can watch on the market. One is the WTI. The other one is the Brent crude oil. Okay, the Brent crude oil is more of the UK side, while the WTI is more of the US side. Okay, so let's have a look. Since the last time that everyone was complaining that oil was so high that their petrol prices are above $100 for every pump. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, Brent crude oil, we have a look. The last time I mentioned that the crude oil prices are going parabolic. So usually when you see parabolic rise, right, the rise is too fast. So usually there will be a sharp fall after that because everyone was going into buying in, and after a while these prices will not sustain. As you can look back in the past past data. One of the examples is gold, the other is Tesla. All right, so okay, so when Brent went up parabolic, did a bit of pullback and went up again, break the highs. This is where the whole world starts panicking. Okay, because of the more sanctions on oil. Then last night, it the crude oil prices just collapsed. All right. So why collapse is still there's no really official news, but there have been rumors that as U.S. sanctions Russia's oil, they are working with Iran to release more inventories of oil, and also US releasing more of their own inventories for oil, so to curb the increasing price of the oil. So that's why I guess is that hedge fund has actually got wind of this. They got the news first and then they started selling off. All right, so it's always a wonder that before the news begins, before the news is released, right, there already have been some movements before that. Some as was last night, I was watching oil prices. It seems that oil, it dropped, it went down, went to a price, okay, consolidates for a while, then there's a further drop. So before that, there are already people dumping, collecting the profits of oil. So as more sell orders come in, so the prices went down. Okay, so it went down to about 107.5. Okay, around here. This is one of my R3. This is one of the support and resistance. As you can see previously, it broke up of the resistance, went down, get supported, went up again. Okay, so this is a move usually we'll see in the markets. So right now it has went for support. Okay, this is a strong support. Okay, it also went to the EMA support also here. So currently I would say it gets supported. It might still go down, we are not sure. So you have to take a look at the lower time frame for any opportunities if you want to short oil. I don't think you should long oil because it's so volatile, because it's a lot of risks playing oil. So you have to be fast, you have to be good in managing your risk. All right, Okay, so what's next? Oil. If oil prices drop, will your petrol price drop immediately? I would say no, it will not drop. Okay, it might take a few 1 or 2 months maybe. So hopefully, if the price stays low or drop more, then maybe your petrol price may drop. All right. Is for Singapore side, I doubt it will drop. US side maybe. For the US side, maybe you will see immediate savings in your petrol prices. For Asia side, Singapore side, it might take 1 or 2 months. Okay, if the oil prices drop. All right. If it doesn't drop, then your petrol companies are actually profiting from the arbitrage. I mean, from the low oil prices, okay, and then selling them to you at a higher price. For electricity wise, I doubt it would drop also, as it mentioned before that electricity prices are based on futures contracts. So usually they buy it before, so they could have bought it at a higher price since the oil went up so much, so it will still remain high. And also for airline also, airline usually they also arbitrage through their oil also. So we'll see about the oil prices. Okay, so hopefully oil will go back. Okay, will drop back to here, $97-$98. Okay, so this is where my next support is for the chart of Brent. Okay, so that's all for today's analysis. So if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe, and share the video. All right. Okay, thank you, and see you next analysis. Bye bye.